Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, I am finally getting around to showing you guys our 2020 travel trailer. We are living in this for the next few months, as you guys know, if you are familiar with my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Carlie. We are currently in South Carolina. My husband is a professional ATV motocross racer, so we come down here to train for the winter months. We are originally from Pennsylvania, and it is obviously way too cold to be outside. He races in ATV, so basically we are down here at a track where he can go out and ride and train and all that stuff. We are in South Carolina, like I said, but today I'm going to be showing you our travel trailer that we are living in for the next few months, and then we will travel in this all summer long. His season goes from March all the way until September, so we are going to be in this a lot, so you'll be definitely seeing a lot of videos of us in here. We also have a family channel that is more related to like what he does. On this channel, I do cleaning, organizing, motherhood, lifestyle, DIYs, hauls, day in the life, stuff like that. So if you guys are into that kind of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. I think I'm going to show you the outside first because there's not like really much to the outside, but I'll definitely show you what it looks like out there and what like our setup is, what we have down here for Evelyn. Like I said, she has a toddler, and a little disclaimer, it is pretty messy in here. I mean, it's not like terribly messy, but I didn't like fully clean it to do this video because like I've said in my previous videos, if you guys have watched, it is really hard to keep this clean all the time because I do have a little toddler running around just trashing the place because it's a small area, so she has lots of stuff to just throw all over the place. And yeah, also it is not completely organized yet. I have a few different cabinets I need to get like bins for and stuff like that, so I will definitely be making a video on how I organize this because there is a lot of storage and we have a lot of stuff, so it's really hard to just kind of put everything into something without like categorizing it and organizing it. So I'm definitely going to do that, but let's go ahead and show you guys what we are living in. Okay, so before we get into it, I just filmed the intro over there and I came to check on Evelyn before I go outside. You guys. What are you doing in the sink? What are you doing in there? I think she's stuck. I really think she's stuck. She has my makeup brush. She has some toothbrushes. You guys, toddler life in a RV is no joke. I better help her before she falls. Okay, so this is what the outside of our travel trailer looks like. Not exactly sure how long it is. I'll have it down on the screen somewhere, but this is our current situation outside. We have Evelyn's stroller, Joel's bike, her water table, her little bike. So it has an awning. As you can see, the entire one side is an awning. It's a Sportsman. And then it has pass-through storage. So not sure, let me see. Here we go. Open it and it goes all the way to the other side. And then this is what this looks like. Nothing too special out here. It does have a slide out. I forgot to mention that. And then just water hookup. There's the other side of the compartment. But yeah, this is what the outside looks like. And then the stairs to fold up, I thought it was bizarre the first time I saw it, but they fold and they actually sit inside the door when we are traveling, which I thought was crazy when I first saw it, but I'm used to the steps just like folding and just hanging there. And then I'll show the back. This is the back. We got it from Lurch RV in Pennsylvania. If you're in like the Harrisburg area, they're by there, or like State College or Bellefonte. So when you walk in the travel trailer, the first thing you see on your left is the freezer and the fridge. So we have a really decent size freezer and fridge setup. Like in our old motorhome, the fridge was not nearly this size. So it has a bunch of different compartments that are just really nice for camping and being in here. Our fridge is stocked full, as you can tell. I have my little notepads on there, and then Evelyn has her little magnet game, and then underneath the fridge there's just more storage. We have it packed full with Joel's Xbox, a skillet, a diffuser, and then a bunch of bags and like extra shoes that we're not wearing right now. And then into the kitchen we have the microwave, which is pretty decent size. And we have a fan for the stove, and then a light. And then we have a 3-burner cooktop. Don't mind the mess, we just cooked on it. And then down here we do have an oven, so here are all the knobs to turn. This one's for the oven, and then we do have the lights, which is really cool. And then down here we have 3 drawers. I just have silverware, cookware, and then that one is empty. And then up here we have these lights, which they're all just push button. So we have this cabinet, which has all of our pots and pans and then all of our seasoning and stuff. And this cabinet is really big. It goes clear all the way back there and then that way. So there's a lot of storage here in the kitchen, which is really nice. And then this one just has some bowls, plates, mugs. This one is also really big too. And then right here, we just have the sink. I have my Keurig, my little jar with my K-cups in it. I got this from TJ Maxx. And the windows have like the pull down blinds, which are really, really nice. And we have a really decent size countertop for like prepping food and stuff. And then under here is just all of our cleaning supplies and stuff. This is a mess. I have a lot of organizing to do in here, which I plan on making a video, but that's pretty big. So this is the kitchen. Like I said, it's a really, really nice size kitchen for our needs. And basically it is the entire side of the back of the travel trailer. So it's really, really nice. Evelyn's in here, so you might hear her in the background. So over here is the couch. It has the cup holder thing in the middle. You can obviously flip it up to make it another seat. It does pull out as well, like into a bed. And then under here, so under here is a bunch of storage. Joel has all of his gear and like all kinds of stuff under here for racing. But that was really, really nice because we need a lot of storage in here. And then same with this window. It is just pull down blind. So here's our little couch. And then I really like the floors in here. They're just like a hardwood tile type thing. I'm not even really sure, but they are really nice. Evelyn's marker. Moving over here to this side of the travel trailer. So when you come in, on your right is the entertainment system. We have a really nice fireplace. This is really, really nice, especially because it's a little chilly in South Carolina right now. Then we just have some storage like underneath. And then the flat screen, I have my Young Living oils up there. And then in here, I have all of Evelyn's diapers and wipes, and then like some of our bills and my planner coloring stuff. And then on this side, we keep all of her books, and it has like a sound system, which we can hook our phone to this and play music and charge them and everything, and it's really nice. And then over here is our pantry. It goes all the way to the top, all the way down to the bottom. This is a mess. I also have to organize this. So down here, Joel has all of his like working out stuff, and I literally had no more room for any of the snacks, so I had to put them down here. I'm going out to Dollar General today to get a bunch of bins to organize. Down here is like all of the bread and pasta jars. Snacks, like I said, these are literally all Evelyn's snacks. This girl snacks so much. And then over here is all of the pastas and rices and some cereal. This is really, really nice to have. Just to keep all of our food and stuff away from like the kitchen, so that's not cluttered, which is really, really nice. But I absolutely love like this right here, and the kitchen is like what sold me on this thing, because we sit right here, me and Evelyn, we both have our cups, and we watch Disney Plus in the mornings and at nighttime, and it's absolutely my favorite thing. And then I just got a carpet from Walmart put there. I have a basket from TJ Maxx with all of our shoes in it. Evelyn's jacket fell. You can tell Evelyn is in here because her stuff is literally everywhere. Okay, so going over here, Evelyn just got done eating lunch. So this is our table and this turns into a bed. So basically, if you've never been in an RV before, you take these poles out, you put the table down here, and then the cushions work so that they make like the padding for the bed. So that's that. This table is really nice and it's really sturdy, which is good because Evelyn tends to get on it all the time. So under here there's also storage. This is filled all the way back. I'll show you in the other one, but this is filled with all of our jackets because it is chilly here. And then we just have a booster seat for Evelyn, and she eats at the table like a big girl. And then so under here we have all of Evelyn's toys. This thing is literally stacked full with toys, and it's really nice. I talked about this in one of my videos, just being able to put the toys down here. You can't see them, and it just keeps this space like nice and clear. That's our dirty clothes bag. But this is the eating area. So right across from the table is our bathroom, and it's just a simple bathroom. We just have the countertop, and then I got this bin from Walmart to put all of our like socks and underwear and Joel's gym shorts in. Then we have all of our towels hanging up on this rack. This mirror, hello, opens up, and it just has like all of our stuff in it. And then this is the shower. It's a nice shower. It's pretty big, fits all of us. And then under here is just like hair straighteners and stuff like that. So that is our bathroom. Evelyn loves going in here. So then in here is our bedroom. Me, Joel, and Evelyn all sleep in this bed. It's actually really big. But we have storage up here. So this entire thing is just like one big open compartment. We have my clothes, Evelyn's clothes, and then Joel's clothes over there. Not everything fits in there. And then over on the sides we have like a ledge, and then it bumps up, you can charge your phone. And then inside there are like little cubbies, so you can put stuff in there. Same thing over here, we have the USB like chargers, and then a cubby, a thing, and then it dips down to here. This is where we keep like the noisemaker and the monitor and all of that. We each have like a window on either side. These are regular blinds, so they're not like the pull up, push down type things. And then down here we have all of our extra blankets. We have a lot of them. And then I got this Evelyn's pajamas, my pajamas, and then my leggings and jeans are in here. And then her little jacket is just sitting up here for right now, because every time it's out in the living area she thinks we're going outside, so I have to hide it back here to tell her we're not going outside just yet. But this is our bedroom. Also, I'll see if I can show you guys on camera, but the bed lifts up and there's like a bunch of storage down here. So that is really nice as well. I have like all of our summer clothes in there because we're obviously not able to wear them just yet. But this is the bedroom, and then the door obviously slides closed. We have like a heating and air conditioning system. We have an outlet down here, and then the table again. And then the other outlets are over here by the kitchen, and then we have another one up here for the TV, and then the ones in our bedroom. So this is our travel trailer that we are currently living in for the next few months, and then we will travel in this all summer long while Joel races. I actually need to get command strips to hang up our jackets. I think I'll probably do them like right here. I'll put a few hooks, and then maybe in somewhere in the bedroom, because they fall down. Like, we literally are just hanging them everywhere. So yes, this is our travel trailer for everyone that keeps asking.
Okay, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not already, and I will try to keep you guys updated on my filming schedule. Since we're in here, it's a little different because I'm not posting 3 times a week because I don't have that much content to put out right now. But I definitely plan on doing more day in the lives in here because it is challenging. And I do plan on filming a morning routine and nighttime routine because it is different from being at home. We don't have like a bathtub in here, and everything's just kind of different from living in home. What are you doing? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Can you blow a kiss? Mwah.
cycle of this. Can you blow kiss? Mwah. Good job. Blow kiss. Mwah. Say thanks for watching. Say thanks for watching. And if you guys do have a motorhome or a travel trailer, comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys do in it, if you go camping or if you go on vacations in it or whatever. Let me know down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys.